This is my washing machine. This is how I wash my clothes. I push my foot on the pedal and it turns this sphere inside. I'll let you see inside of this. You close this. This unhooks the lid. Maybe one day you'll invent something as cool as this. And inside is a sphere. Look, when I turn it, there's no sides. It's a sphere. Another word for that is ball, like a soccer ball. Yeah, it's a kind of shape called a sphere. There's no sides on it. It's completely round. And it rolls just like a basketball or a soccer ball. And inside, look, this is a circle. It's also round. To unlock it, inside is where the clothes go. Do you see that? There's clothes in there. Yeah. And when they turn inside of here, it helps clean them and make bubbles, and those bubbles trap germs. I wonder what your washing machine looks like. Does it look like mine? Does it have circles? Does it have a sphere inside? Does it use a pedal? Thanks for checking out my washing machine. You can go ahead and take a picture of yours and send it to me. I'd love to see how you wash your clothes. See you next time.